me, Ari, and you guys might know that Adopt Me. I mean, not Adopt Me. Okay, sorry, guys. Okay, if you guys might know, Loomian Legacy updated yesterday, and yeah, and I saw the story, and I forgot to make a video about it. I'm so sorry, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be telling you, since I didn't make a video about it, I'm gonna be telling you the perks about it and the story. And this video contains spoilers, so yeah, contains spoilers, so be on the lookout. And if you guys can hear a helicopter right now, my house sometimes brings helicopters or whatever, I don't know. So as you can see, I'm right now continuing my journey, and I captured some Loomians from the update, and someone traded it for me for free. I'll show you. This one I evolved. If you guys didn't know, if you guys don't know, because of course you don't know, because this is the new update thing. And if you go to the mastery, no, this is mine, by the way. Can't see yours unless you have it, so you've seen it. Now it's terrible doing this, because I'm right now not on my normal. Okay, there. So this is what it is. This is used to be like this robot dog, and then it evolves into a big robot dog or whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's it. And I'm going to tell you about the new Saffron City. And since you go all the way there, and yeah, and when you complete wait, I'm going to tell you the story first. So at the story, the bullies you've seen in that town, became your friends, and then the person who battled you in the cave when you got the crystal place, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, play the game, because you can understand the main characteristics. So you come here at Route 7. Then over here is where you go to the city. But over there is where you find the dump, and where you find Loomians. Loomians of chunk Loomians. I'm not saying that these Loomians are bad. I'm saying that literally the Loomians are trash. They look like trash. That's what I mean. And when you come here, you have to battle these people. I already finished battling them. This guy's just talking. And you come here, and this is Saffron City. Just go in there. You're not fast at all. So go in Saffron City, enter. If you guys are asking me, hey Ari, why didn't you turn on your face cam? Because I don't want to. I'm in a different place. So this is where you come. That's the center. It looks different, I know. And this is a big spoiler, and if you don't want to hear the spoiler because there's a evil, but I'm not telling you because it's spoilers, and there's a evil. So I'm warning you, there's a spoiler here, a big spoiler. So there's an evil villain here. Not this guy, it's just a random person, okay? So this is a place called Pollute Corp. It's a business, and first they seem nice at first, but then you go and venture and find the riddles or whatever, and give a man a sushi. That's blocking the way. over there, I think. No, like inside that laboratory, the company, they're gonna be asking you for a sushi who's guarding, and you buy it at the sushi store over here. He he will give you a free sample. Then when you get the free sample, you give it to him, and then he will like go to the toilet or something. I don't know. He just had to go. Anyways. So, anyways, over here is the battle theater where you meet the bullies or something, and like, but it wasn't the bully at first. First, they're gonna be like a Lucas guy, and he says sorry about being mean and stuff, and then they become friends and whatever, and then like Jake comes along. I don't know. I forgot when he comes along, but Jake, the person with a like red shirt and stuff comes along, and then you guys become friends and battle the theater or whatever. But then then you then you have to go research the lab because the table piece of the mysterious stone is in there. And then when you go, like the red shirt guy, his name is Jake by the way, so you don't have to say red shirt guy all the time. He comes and gives you the key card or whatever and stuff. And I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. Over here has a box and stuff. Yeah, and it's pretty good if you ask me. And when you win like the battle theater, this is what they give you. The Gillo Hop. This is awesome. And if you guys don't have Twitter and you somehow didn't follow the Llama Studio Twitter somehow, you should go follow it because they mentioned this. At the update they'll get this. And yeah, and you can catch stuff in the lab because the lab has like these kind of this. This is kind of rare to get in the lab. And like it's like the scientist guy created like a Loomian that's super powerful, and I don't know where to find it, but also you have to go look in YouTube how to get in the battle theater puzzles because it's very complicated. It took me a while, and then like someone in game told me just watch a YouTube video, dude. I was like, oh okay. It's like, how is that gonna help you? Are you gonna give me a link or something? He's like, I didn't say that for real, but you know, I was thinking that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then at the end, your friend will be calling you, Lucas, and then he will be asking you to go to Route 8, where they'll meet up. But Lumen Legacy didn't make it yet, so yeah, Lumen Legacy didn't make the update of this, and I don't blame them because they worked very hard on this update. I mean, I'm so impressed they made this. I'm so super impressed they made this. This is like so awesome. You can explore the city more, and you can go to the trash dump, and you can go to level up your Loomians. And I went to the trade resort, and they traded me some power food to level up this guy. I call him Cyber. So yeah, it's this guy. And I recommend if you have like this one, you can like go trade it in the Rally Ranch. It's very expendable. And this guy, oh wait, yeah, it's someone traded me this for free. And shout out to this person, and yeah, it's awesome. So I catch this by myself, and I don't know how I found this, but I found it in the junkyard. I mean. Sorry. Anyways, there's only I only got like a little, like I think I got like a little bit of the new Loomians because I haven't evolved them and didn't discover all of them. Cyber Wimble. I didn't really name. I only named one of them Cyber, but that's really it. So yeah, and I gave him the Kahuna coffee and stuff. So I'm going to go rally. Oh wait, no, not rally. Anyways, since I was now level 29, the reward was I'm getting like a not Pokemon. Sorry guys, just so attached to Pokemon, but I'm not really now. So really, you get like a different Loomian, like a special one. I don't know what. It's a mystery one, but I don't know what it was. And since I wasted my expert disc on something, I don't want to get embarrassed, okay, guys? So, yeah. Anyways, the Loomian Mastery super complicated, and you guys will be like, hey, you should have like completed your starters thing already, right? Of course not. Of course not. I didn't. Just have to rally war. I mean, like, I'm rallied enough of these free vines for a long time. I'm gonna freak out. And this guy, he likes me now. Before he was like, I don't like you, man. And then like, you're awesome, man. And also, I'm very excited for the Route 8 update. I'm probably not going to be uploading videos that much, but I will because I want to train this freaking thing up. I don't know why I said freaking. So I'm going to train up Wimpor and this guy. What? Oh my gosh. Oops. Ow. Sorry. It's very hard to do this. Okay, there. And I'm gonna be training this guy up. And I can't believe when I saw this on Twitter. I was like, okay, let's see this. Let's see what the Twitter is. I was like, when I was going on Twitter, I was like, I don't really have Twitter. I just couldn't download it because I'm a kid. But I just went to the Twitter. I went to Google and went to Twitter and just saw the Llama Train Studio Twitter. And just went on it. And I was like, let's see some new perks of the update because I haven't checked the Twitter in a long time. Don't be mad at don't be mad, not Trade Studio. But I'm telling you, when I just saw this little guy, I was like, dude, I want this. But I didn't see like the cyber thing. So guys, see you guys later. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a few days.